Scene 1. Introduction: a calm, bright workspace with a laptop open. The host looks at the camera and says, "Welcome. Today we'll learn how to build your first website on WordPress." Whether you're starting a blog, a portfolio, or a business site, this step-by-step guide will get you online quickly. Let's begin. Scene 2. Choosing a domain and hosting. A split screen shows two websites, a domain registrar and a hosting provider. The host explains, first, pick a domain name for your website. You can use sites like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Next, choose reliable web hosting. Companies like Bluehost or SiteGround make WordPress installation easy. Purchase your domain and hosting. Scene 3. Installing WordPress. The screen zooms in on a hosting dashboard. The host clicks through, narrating. Log into your hosting account. Most providers have a one-click WordPress installer. Click Install WordPress, choose your domain, and follow the simple prompts. Once finished, you'll receive your WordPress login details. Scene 4. Logging in to WordPress. The host opens a browser and types in www.yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Type your credentials to log in. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard, where all site management happens. Scene 5. Choosing and installing a theme. Inside the dashboard, the host navigates to Appearance Themes. Themes control your site's look. Click Add New, browse options, and preview a few. When you find one you like, click Install and Activate. You now have a design foundation. Scene 6. Customizing the theme. The Customizer window appears. The host says, go to Appearance, Customize. Update your site title, colors, fonts, and upload your logo. Adjust menus and widgets. Every change is instantly previewed. Scene 7. Adding pages and content. The dashboard shows pages, add new. The host explains, create common pages, home, about, contact. Click Add New, type your content, and use WordPress blocks to add images, galleries, or videos. Don't forget to hit Publish when you're finished. Scene 8. Creating a navigation menu. The host selects Appearance, Menus. Build your main menu, add pages, arrange the order, and save. Now visitors can easily move around your site. Scene 9. Installing plugins. The host clicks Plugins, Add New. Plugins add features. Search for Contact Form 7 or Yoast SEO. Install and activate what you need. Some plugins require basic setup. Follow their instructions. Scene 10. Mobile check and site launch. The host switches to a phone preview. Make sure your site looks good on mobile. Check every page. Ready to go live? Remove any Coming Soon page and share your website with the world. Scene 11. Outro and tips. Back at the workspace, the host smiles. Congratulations, your WordPress site is live. Explore more advanced features as you grow. Good luck with your website journey.